Hi everybody, I'm Monty. David Monte Cuco, like Monte Cristo. Most kids call me Monty. And I want to welcome you to ICAN Lab. Okay? We're going to meet up every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday in the ICAN Lab. I'm your helper. I'm the go-to person to help you retrieve your credit in your ICAN class. I'm not your teacher. I'm your helper. Serious. So, we meet up 3 times a week. And what do? With me, we learn how to find your class on Blackboard. Okay? You're going to see 2 items on Blackboard. Your ICAN Lab, okay? That's me, where you have all sorts of resources to teach you how to do ICAN and retrieve that credit. And then you have your actual ICAN class, whatever you're trying to make up. Math, English, science, the history classes, okay? PE, health, all right? Find your assignment list. Got to learn to navigate clever. Teams, Office 365, Blackboard, a lot of digital stuff we've got to learn to navigate. How do I submit my work on Blackboard? What does that mean and how do we do it? And then you've got to learn to be an advocate for yourself. Advocate. You've got to raise your hand digitally, electronically, and say, hey, teacher, show me how to do this. Or ask Monty, I can't find it, the link's not working, how do I do this? And you and I will meet up virtually. We might even meet up on the phone via FaceTime to help us get the work turned in so that your teacher goes, hey, this guy understands this class. He passes. Cool? Why are we here? Retrieve a credit. Get back on track for graduation. So, we're making up a credit. Remember, you're in charge. You determine how fast you want to get your credit back, how much work you're going to turn in each week, and reaching out to get help to make all that happen as quickly as possible. You don't have to set the pace as it's set by the class, by Blackboard. You're in charge. You want to do 3 assignments a week? Go for it. Want to do 5 assignments a week? Go for it. Okay? You're in charge. Remember that. Now, with each of these videos I send, I'm going to put a little tutorial in. So stay tuned, because now I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to find, like, our Teams meetings. Going into Clever, going into Office 365, locating the Teams meeting. Remember, your email is the key to success. Tagging the lab person, me, and your online teacher. 3-way communication all the time. This is in your email where you'll find the link to our Teams meetings that we're having right now. Or you can go to Teams, go over to Calendar, and you're going to see where I've posted the link. Just go to your calendar, find that time, Tuesday, okay, period 6, click, and poof, here we are together. All right, so stay tuned for a little tutorial, and I look forward to meeting you on Tuesday. See ya. Everybody, Monty here. Each day I want to send you a little video tutorial on navigating the internet, Office 365, Clever, okay? Because that's where we're going to meet on a regular basis. I've got advisory class, geometry classes, ICAN credit retrieval, and ALE classes. So let's get started. No matter what computer you have, find an internet connection, okay? Once you find the internet, type in Spokane Public Schools, okay? Once you type in Spokane Public Schools from anywhere, just click. Locate the home page. From the home page, you're going to get one of these little disclaimers that talks about distance learning. I never delete that. I always keep it because there's so many helpful video tutorials on this school reopening resource page. Okay? I just hit the X. Now locate digital tools. Once you see digital tools, click. From here, we have the Clever portal. I'm hoping everybody gets used to using the Clever portal because that's your email address. And once you're in there, you've got Office 365, you've got your math classes, you got your textbooks, you've got other apps, you got your Blackboard class. Cool. If you have brothers and sisters, let your parents and guardians know the Clever Family Portal, which makes it a one-stop shop for parents to check on all their students. There is a little information you got to fill out in order to get that, but let me know if you need help with that. Click on Clever. Boom. It's going to ask you for a login. Your login is your email address, your last name, last 4 digits of your ID at sps81.org, and your 8-digit birth date. All right? So hopefully you get logged in. I've already logged in, so we're ready to go. Office 365, for all the math students, your Clever Carnegie Learning Math icon, and your Blackboard class. All right, let's get to Office 365 because we need to find our Teams page. Cool? We're trying to find how to log in to our Teams meetings on the Bell schedule. Okay, so click on Office 365. Boom. It might take a second to load, but either on the left-hand side or across vertically, so either vertically or horizontally, you're going to see all these tiles. Remember, Outlook is your actual email, and I send you emails. All your teachers send you email invites to your Teams meetings. But you don't have to have that. Click on your Teams page. Boom. Again, that might take a second to load. Once you're there, you'll see all these tiles. Cool? Scroll down, and you'll see my Geometry Period 4, Geometry Period 5, my ICAN Period 6, and Advisory. Now, I want you to get used to the left-hand column. Activities, chats, teams, assignments. Everybody, click on Calendar. Calendar is the secret to success. Whenever we post a meeting, you're going to see my invite 5 days a week to Advisory. You're going to see your invite. Click on that, and then you can just join the meeting. Serious. So, 5 days a week for Advisory. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, period 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, 6. On Friday, remember, just 25-minute classes. 4, 5, 6. Okay? This is how you can find the quickest way to the link to your Teams meetings. Okay? Hopefully, I'll see you in our Teams meetings. Remember, I've got Advisory, Geometry Period 4, Geometry Period 5, and my ICAN Kiddos Period 6. Hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you in our Teams meetings, and I'll post another video to help you navigate other items. All right? Have a great day.